This is Hollywood, land of the real and the unreal. The unreal are the actors, and the real, nothing more than a thing to put film on. From up here, I guess it doesn't look very much different from your hometown. But how would you know? You don't go around looking at your hometown from a plane. This is a town where dedicated people spend every waking hour applying their varied talents to the making of a product, the only purpose of which is to take you away from the harsh realities of life into the wondrous land of make-believe. What's your pleasure? Westerns? Cheesecake? Suspense? Brutality? How about a love story? Yes, a love story.
I love you very much. Saying it is very trivial.
I love you too. Oh, my beautiful, wonderful man. I could listen to you for hours. But that would deprive me of the tenderness of your lips. Don't speak anymore. Nor shall I. Kiss me, my love.
Yes, this is Hollywood, where for just the price of a ticket, they will take you any place you want to go. Any place, that is, except one. Seldom will they let you inside one of those sound stages down there where their magic potion is brewed. And we'll show you why. Sometimes the good guys are afraid of horses. And if they're afraid of horses, they're certainly not going to let them use real rocks on them. Mistreated girl, you think? She was formerly middleweight champion of the Marine Corps. The lovers? In real life, these two are man and wife.
All right, here we go for a take.
Would you mind not sitting on my jacket?
If I had my way, stupid, I'd be sitting in another state.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, listen, nitwit. If it wasn't for me...
If it wasn't for you,
why,
you cheap imitation of a screen extra, I'd smack you right in the mouth.
Lights, camera, action.
Besides everything else, you're the very dream that I dreamed.
Aside from the behind-the-scenes activities of the people that are constantly seen on the silver screen, we would like to show you the behind-the-scenes activities of the motion picture czars and czaresses and their suresses. And so as not to make this in any way a completely dry and stilted documentary, we have acquired the services of one of the most prominent and highly intelligent idiots available.